Fruit crumbles are a family favourite, and by adding microwave to our oven function, they'll be ready in half the time. Any raw fruit can be used for this crumble: apples, stone fruit, whatever you desire. Place into a microwave safe dish. You can easily use the dish that you're serving it in. To make the topping, you can either rub in by hand or use a food processor. We're using a Smeg hand blender. It only needs pulsing for a few seconds. We're going to use Microwave Combi. This helps us cook the raw fruit really quickly, but also keeps the topping really crunchy. Great served with a dollop of cream or ice cream.